GCSE Biology, the lungs, SMARTPATHTUTORING. The lungs are in the thorax. The thorax is the top part of your body. It's separated from the lower part of the body by the diaphragm. The lungs are like big pink sponges and are protected by the ribcage. They're surrounded by the pleural membranes. The air that you breathe in goes through the trachea. This splits into two tubes called bronchi. Each one is a bronchus, one going to each lung. The bronchi split into progressively smaller tubes called bronchioles. The bronchioles finally end at small bags called alveoli, where the gas exchange takes place. Alveoli carry out gas exchange in the body. The lungs contain millions and millions of little air sacs called alveoli, surrounded by a network of blood capillaries. This is where gas exchange happens. The blood passing next to alveoli has just returned to the lungs from the rest of the body, so it contains lots of carbon dioxide and very little oxygen. Oxygen diffuses out of the alveolus, high concentration, into the blood, low concentration. Carbon dioxide diffuses out of the blood, high concentration, into the alveolus, low concentration, to be breathed out. When the blood reaches body cells, oxygen is released from the red blood cells, where there's a high concentration, and diffuses into the body cells, where the concentration is low. At the same time, carbon dioxide diffuses out of the body cells, where there's a high concentration, into the blood, where there's a low concentration. It's then carried back to the lungs. You can calculate the breathing rate in breaths per minute. Rate calculations pop up all the time in biology, and you're expected to know how to do them. Thankfully, they're pretty easy. Breathing rate is the sort of thing that you could get asked to work out in your exam. For example, Carrie takes 91 breaths in 7 minutes. Calculate her average breathing rate in breaths per minute. Breaths per minute equal number of breaths divided by number of minutes. 91 divided by 7 equals 13 breaths per minute. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like.